It's almost nightfall, and there's no forecast of rainfall. And I'm in the mood for a party, so I'ma go out to a club and give the dance floor body. So I jump in the car and I go to the venue. Walk in the door, now I'm on the menu. Guys in the house, they're watching me. They're clocking me, there's no stopping me. Desire, I know you want me. You're fine. Thank you. But I'm not the type of girl that you think I am. I don't jump into the arms of every man. But I'm paid. I don't need your money. I love you. Must be mad. Easy love is something that I ain't. Besides, I don't know you from a can of paint. Tell me why is it when I walk past the guys I always hear, yo baby? I mean, like, what's the big idea? I'm a queen, not respect. Treat me like a lady and know my name ain't yo. And I ain't got your baby. I'm looking for a guy who's sincere, one with class and savoir-faire. I'm looking for someone who has to be perfect for the queen, Latifah, me.
Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscriptions as well. I'm so happy and excited. If you're watching this video today, Friday, yesterday happens to be my birthday, and by that song you all can tell I'm old school. So I'm not about to reveal my age, but by that music that I just played by Queen Latifah, those are kind of music I rocked to when I was growing up. So I am very old school. But I bless the name of the Lord for adding another year to my year. I thank God, I bless him for his faithfulness. So for today's tutorial, it's all about negative cut crease that are created with mostly drugstore products. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe. And the palette that I'll be using to create this eye makeup today is by Second Love Cosmetics, and I'll be using like 2 out of these palettes, which is called the Beauty Treats. The first shade I pick up for my transition color is a lighter purple shade. As you can all see, I've already done one of my eye off the camera, so I'll be doing the second one in order to show you how I achieve this look. And I went ahead and pick up a slanted brush, and I use that. I dip it into the black eyeshadow from the same palette in order for me to be able to create that liner angle. If you can see, I created just a little one at the outer corner of my eyes, and I came into the inner corner of my eyes just to create the basis. Then I joined it together. So I'll be moving ahead to cut my crease so as to create the negative space. I pick up a flat brush and I dip it into the L.A Pro concealer in Shade Fawn, and I just use it just to follow the same line that I created with the eyeshadow, the slanted line that I created. Then I fill in the rest of my eyelid. And I went ahead and pick up a brush and some powder by F to set it. So I went back into the same palette at the same eyeshadow that I started with in the first place. I dip in the brush in order for me to dip in that side a little bit to make it more prominent, to show more, in order for it to be more pigmented. I don't know what kind of English to use anymore, so I keep going and on and on. So I dip in that. That's the short story about that. Then I went ahead and picked up that slanted brush again, and I went and traced the same line that I created in the first place. So I'll be using the same brush and the black eyeshadow to create the second line, which I created, and then I move ahead and pick up my setting spray to wet the brush, because the eyeshadow that I'll be working with, we have a lot of falls and I want to avoid that. And again, I wanted my eyeshadow to show more, so I decided to wet my brush. Then I put the brush into the eyeshadow and I applied it on my lid. Initially, this is going to look like total mess, but trust me, it's going to look good at the end of the day. So So to deepen the outer corner of my eyes, in order for it to look like the other side, I pick up a gel liner by Clinique. Is number 02 True Black. I'll put the names and the brands of the product that I use down below for you as well. So I pick up a slanted brush and I use that to apply it in order for to deepen that side again to make it look more darker, just like my other eye. And I went ahead and pick up a makeup wipes. I use that to clean up the edge so that it will look sharp as possible as I can. And for my foundation today, I'm trying this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation for the first time. I totally love it, and the shade I'm using is 14 Golden Toffee. For my highlights, I pick up the concealer by Clinique, and to contour, I pick up the contour palette by BH Cosmetics. I'll put all these links down in my description box. I went off the camera to do my blending today, and to set my eyes, I'm using the same, to set my face, I mean the same e.l.f. setting powder in color Sheer. I'll put everything down below for you, then I set my entire face. I pick up an eye pencil by Estee Lauder, which is black. This is my regular that I usually use. The blush that I'll be using today is the blush palette by e.l.f. And I went ahead and sprayed my entire face with a Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray by Clean Color. I'll be putting this in my description box. I already went ahead and lined my lips off the camera by the pencil David's. I'll put the number down below for you as well. Then I pick up the lipstick by NYX and I use that. The highlighter that I'll be using today is the Sun and Browns Browsing Powder by NYC. Thank you all for watching. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, could you please subscribe. Thank you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.